हेलो गाइज वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे सीपाल के बारे में। सीपाल इज एन एटीएस एंड आई ऑलरेडी मेक वीडियो एज वेल बिफोर दैट, but that was a very, like, we can say, the short video, and I just update that how we can make a string search and how we can find a candidate on a particular jobs. But today's in this video I want to cover like more like features on a CPALs, like what we can do other tasks on a CPAL as well. So it's a ATS, so it's a applicant tracking system. So it shows that you can track your applications or your applicant which is submitted on a jobs by the client side. Okay, so ATS said that in a ATS you get the requirement from the client and you will submit on a candidate on that particular job. So you will get the status, like what's the state of the what the status of the candidate right now, that he is in a interviewed and he's in a pipeline, is the final state, and he got an offer as well from the client side. So this all the process makes so easy with the ATS. It can be like job diva and the cpalo, like many more ATS is available in the job market. So right now we will discussing on a like CPAL. So just I will just let you know that what we can do other things in a CPAL. So firstly, is a job posting is there, like we can post our job in a like different job portals. We can say the Dice Monster or any other LinkedIn or other like job portals we can job post. Okay, and the applicants, we can say that the applicant, the candidate which is we submitted to the customer, right? So we will check, we can check here that which candidate is submitted for which position. Okay, so these are all the details mentioned here. Firstly, go to the quick link in the right corner, just click on that, and then go to the advanced search. Okay, so it will show that all the portal integrated in the CPAL, like the career builder, we have Monster, Dice, and the integrated search and the internal DB. So I always search in an integrated, internal DB. So I just make a string search and for the click on the search. So here we can find out the candidate. This is the basic search. I just make it on a CPAL to just give you an example that how you can make a string search on that. Okay, so here all the candidates, and we can do the mail merge as well. Okay, so this is the review only. So let's do what we can do other things, like if you want to find a candidate on a particular job portal, so we can just click on the any portals here, like Monster, Dice, or Career Builder. So I'll just click on the Dice and I'll just copy the keywords, or you can make any string on that. So uh, just copy and paste and search the candidate. So here we will find out the candidate on a Dice portal. So this is the two of the main things, like to search a candidate on a portal. So let's start with other things. What can we do? Okay, so suppose that if you want to submit a candidate on a particular job set, like client send you a requirement, and you want to submit any candidate there. Okay, so just click on the search. Okay, and if you want to search any candidate who is in a already in a database, so just make sure that I'm just giving an example that he is a candidate. Okay, I'm just searching it. I just search on a CPAL. Okay, here's the candidate. I'll just click on that. Okay, and this is the profile of the candidate. Okay, he's in a Kafka admin role, and yeah. So in the right corner there's a button of submit, so just click on that and submit to the job. There's a quick submit, tag to job, and submit to job. So I'll just click on the submit to job. Okay, and there's all jobs here from the client side. So I'll just find out suppose I have to submit on a 12320. So 12320, I'll just search that job on that. Or maybe that, suppose that I'm just giving you an example. You can just find out any of the job ID, like you should have a job ID on that. Okay, so just click on that and submit to job. I'm just giving you an example. I'm just not like submitting that one, but I'm just telling you that what can be the process. Okay, so just fill out the all the necessary detail like mandatory details here. Okay, and just click to submit. So it will redirect us in a dialog box, and there will be some few of emails where you have to send the email. So you can just add the email and remove the email as well. Okay, this is the process to how you can submit a candidate on a particular job set. Okay, so I already told you that what is the job posting, because I'm not having that job posting, we can say the feature on my CPAL. So but I'm just telling you that what if you have, where you can find, just click on the job posting, but you in there in the right corner you will get an like a tab as well for the new posting. Okay, just click on that and fill the net like important details of the job posting, and you can just post the job as well. Okay, so right now this is the uh, way to work in a CPAL. But if you want to know more about anything about a CPAL, you can just let me know, and I definitely try to make a video on that topic as well. Okay, so we can cover all the things. All right, thank you.